Kia ora, and welcome to this video brought to you by the team at the Business School's Centre for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. Our purpose is to support all students and staff at the University of Auckland. If you love making things or wish to learn more about developing an idea, we have a range of resources to support you. Today we will take you on a short tour of Unleash Space, the home for innovation and entrepreneurship at the University of Auckland. Unleash Space is a vibrant, multifunctional space with a state-of-the-art makerspace. It is a must-visit space at the University of Auckland that is free for students and staff from all faculties. Whether you are going to study arts, science, or engineering, we are here for you. Interested in innovation and entrepreneurship? Unleash Space is the place for it. We have co-working spaces, workshops, mentoring, prototyping facilities, and programs to help you develop any idea and prepare you for what comes after university.
If you want to give making, creating, designing, or fabricating a go, Unleash Space has a free-to-use, state-of-the-art makerspace. We have 3D printers, CNC router, a laser cutter, a wide-format printer, electronic consumables and soldering stations, vinyl cutter, vacuum former, sewing machines and overlocker, photo booth, even more 3D printers, and a range of hand and power tools here to support your creative ambition and empower you to use the technology to create anything you imagine. If you're not sure what vinyl cutters or the other pieces of equipment are all about, no problem. We provide you with training sessions, and our staff and community will be around to guide you so that you can become competent and come in whenever you want to work on your creations. We run many workshops on technology and digital tools where you can leave with the creation of your own making. Our workshops are both online and in person, with workshops such as laser cut jewelry, Arduino electronics, 3D modeling and graphic design, vinyl cut t-shirt designs, and more on offer. It's our passion to empower you with technology and create a community of makers so that you have the skills and resources you need to potentially take an idea to the next level.
Startup Studio is open for all students who are actively working on building their own startup. Our members have access to a free co-working space. We organize workshops and connect them with our mentors and residents. We have regular catch-up with the teams to follow up on their goals, get them connected, and provide as much support as possible to give their venture a kickstart.
And in this space, we run numerous programs and events throughout the year for all staff and students to participate in.
One example is Summer Lab, a 4-week program where you can join up with many other students to come up with high potential ideas and learn how to transform them into your own venture.
In our open plan space, we have mobile tables and chairs, large screens and whiteboards that can be easily arranged for your innovative purposes. And over at our beanbag area, you can leave your mark on the space, or you can just relax. Meet our Velocity team member, Justin.
Velocity is the University of Auckland's flagship entrepreneurial program, starting back in 2003. We help develop students' entrepreneurial mindset, including problem solving, critical thinking, and decision making, by running a series of workshops and seminars throughout the year.
Students get to hear from people who have experience starting new companies and get feedback on how they can create their own venture. Velocity is best known for our 2 annual competitions, the Innovation Challenge, where students can win $1,000 just by telling us about their innovative ideas in 1,000 words, and the 100K Challenge, where students develop business plans for their idea in order to win part of a $100,000 prize pool in seed money and mentorship.
There's always someone in Unleash Space, so pop in, say hello, and ask us any questions you might have about entrepreneurship.
Startups can book meeting rooms for important occasions where privacy is required. You can also book a session with one of our experts or mentors in residence when you have questions about IP, marketing strategies, finances, you name it.
Thank you for joining the team at the Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship in our tour of Unleash Space. Your space for creating, playing, making, inventing, experimenting, and doing. If you would like more information about any of our offerings, just come and visit us here at the university. Or you can check out our website at cie.auckland.ac.nz.